Assalamu alaikum. So today we will see that how can we easily remember the names of the borders and surfaces of the heart, and also the parts of the heart which are forming these borders and surfaces. So first of all we will discuss about the borders of heart. For remember for the borders of the heart, we will draw a diagram like this, a simple triangle with an apex here. This apex is just to show the right and the left side of the heart, as the apex is on the left side. Okay, this is the apex. Now as we saw, on the top side will be right atrium, and here will be right ventricle on the its bottom. Here will be left atrium and left ventricle. So both are atrium, so we will write AA here, and these both are ventricle, we will write ventricle here, and here you will have to write A and here V. Okay, you just have to remember this thing. And the mnemonics for the border is rails, RAILS, and you just have to skip this A. So from here we can easily determine the borders like right, inferior, left and superior. And now how can we remember that which part of the heart is forming the right border or the inferior border or the left border or the superior border? So right border. Now see on the right side, here we have written A, means the right atrium. So the right border will be formed by right atrium. Now is inferior. Inferior are two ways, mean right ventricle and the left ventricle, and you have to draw an arrows on here also, which means that the most part is formed by the right side. So inferior will be formed by the right as left ventricle, mainly by right ventricle and slightly by left ventricle. Okay, now is left. The left will be made up of the left ventricle as V, and it's on the left side, it will be left ventricle. And this is S, means superior. Superior is made up of the right atrium and left atrium, and arrows is on this side, means that mainly by right atrium and slightly by left atrium. Right as left atrium. Now we will see that how can we remember the names of surfaces of heart. For this you have to remember this diagram. This cube. Okay, now we will do the same thing here. The superior, this will be the superior, we will write AA here. This is the inferior, this surface is inferior, VV. Right surface was right atrium, this will be right surface. Left surface was ventricle, this will be the ventricle. And one thing which will be addition in this diagram will be the anterior surface, this surface, and this anterior surface will be right ventricle. Okay, and the mnemonics for the surfaces is April, APRIL, and same thing we will do here, that skip the second, like we do in the rails, skip the second word. Okay, now we will easily see that the names of the surfaces like the anterior surface, right pulmonary surface, inferior surface and the left pulmonary surface. Now we will see that which part of the heart is forming the anterior surface or the other surfaces. So anterior surface, anterior was made up of the right ventricle. Now is right pulmonary surface. Right pulmonary surface was right atrium. This is inferior surface. I is inferior. So it was made up of the right and left ventricle. And this is left pulmonary surface. So left pulmonary surface was made up of the left ventricle. So this is a very simple way to remember the names of the borders and the surfaces of the heart, and also the parts of heart which are forming these borders and surfaces. Thank you.